everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing another Misfits Market order, and this one is hopefully smaller than the one I got for Thanksgiving. It's only one box, but it's a pretty substantial box. But before I open it, if you are new here, be sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video. I do at least one unboxing video a week and lots of other health and nutrition content that you might also be interested in. So it's important to tap that bell so you never miss a video. And if you're not new here, but you keep watching all these videos, hit that subscribe button now. What are you waiting for? Just go ahead and get that out of the way. Okay, let's get this box open. Always delicious, sometimes normal. The first thing we come to is a tote bag. Sometimes normal, always fresh. This was part of the add-ons in the marketplace, and it's a pretty standard tote bag, in case you're wondering. Pretty standard. Nothing really all that special about it, except for it says, sometimes normal, always fresh, similar to what the boxes say. I mean, it's pretty cool, but it was $19, and I know that if I go to my grocery store or Trader Joe's, you can usually buy a tote bag similar to this for about $1.99 or $3.99. The reason I got this was that there was a special that if you bought, I think it was $50 worth of marketplace items, you got $10 off. It was enough to push me over the edge and get this. But I also want to show you in case you're interested in buying it. So this is a size. I mean, it's not any different or any better or anything than any other tote bag, but it's cool that it says Misfits Market. I do think that they probably should be giving these away to people, and if they charge anything for it, it should be under $5. This is, I mean, it might cost them a lot of money to produce it, but the value for us, it's not really a $19 tote bag. So if you were interested in buying this or thought about buying it, I got it so that you don't have to, in case you're wondering. 2 packs of green beans, and I really do like these. So you don't really know how they're going to send them to you, and they've been sending them the last couple orders in this packaging, CB Farms organic green beans. And again, just as a reminder, everything in this box is organic. I've had good luck with these. I actually really like the way that they do this. But I never know. Next time it might be a completely different brand. It might just be in a produce bag. You don't know. That's part of the mystery of Misfits Market. I did reorder this matcha green tea latte concentrate because I really liked it. It is only 6 grams of sugar for half a cup, which is about a portion. So that's not terrible. The only thing I don't like about it is there's cane sugar in it, but it is organic cane sugar. And I honestly, I have not eaten or had anything to drink from outside my home that wasn't already in my home. In other words, I haven't gotten takeout. So I haven't gone to Starbucks and picked up a cup of coffee. So I've kind of missed getting my iced matcha latte from Starbucks. And although this isn't as good, because it's not as sweet, it helps fill the void. And you don't really need something that sweet anyway. So I reordered it. 2 Meyer Lemons, and these look pretty normal to me. Vanilla sugar cookies. I felt like getting these, and they had them, so I wanted to try them. I've gotten other things from Misfits that were this brand Partake, and they've been okay. The ingredients look fairly good, so we'll give these a try and see how they are. Fresh rosemary, and this looks good. This looks a little skimpy. Some green leaf lettuce, hydroponic. It looks a little small, can you see? Looks a little bit on the small side, but it looks very fresh. So that's good. Some clementines, and these look pretty normal. This one's a little bit green. But you know, sometimes when you get them at the grocery store or Trader Joe's, they come in that box, that crate box, and then you get them home, you open the crate, and there's always a few in there that aren't any good. Leave me a comment down below if that's happened to you. Another green leaf lettuce. And again, this is very small. Can you see how small that is? It's very small, but it does look fresh. A couple more clementines. Oh, this is a lemon. This looks like romaine, and I don't think it was specified as romaine. There's some really bad leaves on the outside. Ugh. We'll get rid of those. It wasn't specified as romaine. I think it was just said green leaf lettuce. It's a little beat up. It's a little brown. So I'm removing some of the outer leaves. Inside it looks okay. What do you think about this? Organic spring mix. This is always nice to have in the house. And this expires 12/17 and today is December 7th. So this should be good in my fridge for about 10 days. I like that. Some fresh thyme. 2 leeks. These look pretty good. A summer squash. There might be another one in there. It's rare that you get one of something, so I'm sure there's another one. Broccoli greens. These are awesome. Have you guys tried broccoli greens? They are so tasty and awesome, and I like to put them in soups and stews, and you can also just saute them with some olive oil and garlic. They are awesome. Organic spinach. This is small. This is a very, I'm sure this is why it's a misfit. It's a very small bunch. The ones I got the other day from Imperfect Foods were about twice as tall. A large zucchini. Oh, why did they do this? So some scallions that were beat up because they were under heavier things. And I really, really wish that if Misfits Market would change anything, aside from this bag being $19, because that's insane, I wish they would change how they pack and package more mindfully about how they're affecting everything in the box. Some more. These look like lemons. So these are, yeah, these are lemons, and this is a little green. Oh my goodness. That is a Yukon Gold potato. Look at the shape of this potato. I'm not even going to say what it looks like because that would be gross. But it's a very misshapen Yukon Gold potato. And this is the kind of thing that you expect from Misfits Market. So I just have to laugh. It's funny. Some Brussels sprouts, and these have got to be the smallest. Can you even tell that they're Brussels sprouts? These are the smallest Brussels sprouts I think I've ever seen. I've never seen Brussels sprouts that small. Not sure what happened here, but this is also a misfit. This might be the most misfits I've ever had in a Misfits Market box. Another Yukon Gold, and this one is just large, not misshapen, but it's very large. It's about half the size of my face. A russet potato, which is very dirty and needs badly to be washed, so I'll do that when we're done here. Another Yukon Gold potato is also very large, but not misshapen. Rainbow carrots. I love the rainbow carrots. These are so, and they're so pretty. Look, this one, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but this one is red, orange, and then we have yellow. So this red is a really, really beautiful color. I don't know if you can see that. Some limes. These all look a little discolored, but they probably taste just fine. I've never gotten anything from Misfits that looks a little off that tastes bad. It's all tasted fine, in case you're wondering. Another very large zucchini. Another small bunch of organic spinach. Wow, this is a lot of stuff, guys. Some sage, another russet potato, and another orange. Wow, this is a huge box of stuff. Wow, another zucchini, and this one's nicked up a bit, which is why it's a misfit, I'm sure. Wait till you see what this looks like. Oh my goodness, it just doesn't stop. Summer squash. It's like the never-ending box. Some red leaf lettuce. Another red leaf lettuce. Wow, this one is a little, it's falling apart. This one looks good. Small, but good. This one is kind of falling apart a little bit, but it looks okay. It is very dirty, but I mean, I'll wash it. It's another Yukon Gold potato, and this one is very misshapen. Not as misshapen as the other one, but okay. Another lime. Looks good. It's a little yellow, but that's okay. Another orange. And 2 more russet potatoes. These look perfectly normal, although dirty. But again, we wash this stuff, right guys? Don't you wash it? I hope so. Okay, and then I got some more of these. In case you were wondering, they're really good. These are non-GMO corn nuts, and it's just sea salt on them. And the ingredients are corn, sea salt, sunflower oil, and they're non-GMO. So these are a good substitute if you crave something that you probably shouldn't eat. These are a good substitute. They're not 100% healthy and nutritious, but they're better than some alternatives that you could get, like Doritos or regular corn nuts. So this is what we got. Really, this is a huge amount. It's overflowing my sink. So what do you think? Is this worth what I paid for it? What do you think of the price of the bag? $19. Let me know your thoughts on that. And have you tried Misfits Market? Would you try Misfits Market? If you're interested in trying Misfits Market, you can get 50% your first order for a limited time. I have the link in the description down below, and there's also the coupon code there. But if you just click through the link and it's your first order, you can save up to 50%. That promotion is only going to work for a limited time, so make sure you click it soon. Let me know what your experience is, how you enjoyed it, and what did you get. Please let me know. Leave me comments. Also, if you have another organic produce company that you really love, let me know what it is. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try it out if it's available in my area. And then I'll make a video for all you guys. You've seen me do that with some other companies that some of my other viewers have recommended. And be sure to check out my other videos. I have some good health and nutrition content if you're interested. I have I have the free 12 Days of Fitness coming up. I have a free holiday gift guide. I also have a free sugar detox coming very, very soon. And I've got my 28-day transformation and my 10-day detox. Those are paid programs, but if you use promo code YouTube, and the links are right down below in the description, if you use promo code YouTube, you can save a lot of money. So go ahead, use that promo code YouTube for a limited time on the 28-day transformation. You can save up to $200, and then the program's only $97. But that coupon code is only good for a limited period of time, so be sure to use it right away. I want to thank all of you who have subscribed. We are at 2,000 subscribers, and I'm pretty amazed that you guys love what I do so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you never miss a video. And I wish you all happy holiday season, a healthy new year. I will see you very soon. This is Aimee. Bye.